Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we will be talking about project management offices, basically PMOs, and you have might heard a lot about PMO office during the project management training and when you are going for the PMP professional training program. So basically project management offices can be within the organization or within the departments, or overall it can be at a different place. These offices are basically to centralize and coordinate the management of projects under the domain of the organization. So basically it can be an international office located to oversee different projects in different areas in different countries. It can be office which can have different skill kind of professional and staff over there, which are providing you services of and support during the planning and execution of projects in different domains according to the organization policies and methods. Basically the PMO offices have project managers which are there to coordinate you and which are there to help you out in different projects. It can have wide range of authorities and responsibilities depending on the nature of the organization. If there are local projects, then there will be a local project management office. If the organization is global, there might be one project management office located in the headquarters, and it is managing and coordinating all the projects. The project managers have to report to the project management office while they are executing or starting different projects. This office will be providing them the policies, methodologies and templates, and then support and guidance during the project. If you are stuck over anything, they can help you out and provide you guidance how to move forward, and in any scenario they are there for you to help you out. So PMO plays an important role in the project management. Dividing them in three types is important for us because there can be three types of PMOs. One is the sportive PMO, second is the controlling PMO, and third is the directive PMO. By the names, if you can see that sportive PMO will be the most common type of PMO in an organization. Its purpose will be to empower the project managers and teams to deliver projects more successfully. It will be supporting the project manager throughout the project delivery from starting to execution, and it will be training, mentoring, guiding, administrating, reporting, and helping out in all ways to the project managers. And the most important part over here is that it is not controlling or directing the projects. It will be supporting the project managers to complete those projects which are undertaken by the organization. In case of controlling PMO, we are talking about the controlling services provided by the project management office. It will be by the project reviews, the completion reports, audit, assessment, governance, and in according to the organization policies to get the project back on track and to help you out to control the project in a situation which is undesirable to any organization. But there is an important role over here is that it can influence the project delivery, it can influence the project managers, it can control the overall schedule, time, cost and scope of the project, and it can enforce different standards, implement processes, and manage the overall project risk according to their own analysis and according to their own methodologies and policies. So controlling PMO is a type of the PMO which will be controlling all of the different related activities and all the knowledge areas related to the project management domain. The third one is the directive PMO. It is the least common one, but sometimes the most effective type of PMO. Organization often avoid this type of PMO because it has to direct services and it will not support or control the project. But it will be responsible for actually running them and execution of those project. It will be running the projects, and it will be telling the project managers what are their tasks, and they have given the authority to do the projects. And there will be a PMO director as their supervisor, and it will be just a direction to all the project work within the organization to one department or to other departments of the organization. So basically directive PMO will be used by the organization to direct the project managers and the staff involved in the project management. So PMO office might have many different roles according to the nature of the project and from the organization policies. Like they can manage the interdependencies and the interdependencies of the project. They can help you provide the resources and maintain the resources of the projects, and also manage the programs and also manage the portfolios. They can terminate the projects. They can monitor the compliance with the organization processes. They can help the you by the lessons learned, and they can share their experience with you. These are more heavily involved during the project initiation and rather than the execution of the project. It can change the it can be part of the change control board. It can be part of the risk management board. It can be the stakeholder. So PMO offices have many different roles, and these are used by the organization largely for getting the success during the different projects. Basically the most of the time the projects from one country to another country require different PMO and the controlling or directive authority to manage those projects in other countries. So the requirement for a PMO to the success is that all the roles should be clearly defined, whether it is project manager, the PMO director, or the PMO staff. Only one role can do it all. Don't try to mix up all the roles. If you are assigning a PMO director, then assign all the responsibilities and authority to the PMO director, and then move on to the other staff. You have to be commit yourself and support for the top management, and if the top management has support to the PMO office, then it is success that will be reached out to your footsteps. All should be PMPs. That is the basic requirement. All the persons doing the projects and in the PMO office should have a PMP certification, and it can also help you to improve the project performance through the use of proper processes and techniques. Basically PMO office will be following the PMBOK and its guideline and their experience of previous projects and their success and the risk assessment during the different projects. So it will having the all the things that can help you to move away from the failure and move toward the success. So PMO offices can have many different types, as we have discussed, and now we'll be moving forward to our next lecture. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.